Just because you didn't make money today doesn't mean it wasn't a W day. Doesn't mean it wasn't a good day. People need to stop worrying about making money. Too many people are focusing on making money. Yeah, I'm gonna take these longs on 30 right here. At the 1 hour gap. Look for 1 to 2. That pretty high is the overall target, but I just want a 1 to 2.
As we're coming down, we hit TP1. So TP1 got hit inside of the garage.
You gotta build yourself physically. You gotta build yourself as an individual. Because guess what? To be the person that's gonna be able to be in a crib like this, to be the person that's gonna be able to get a nice car, to be able to change your life, to change other people's lives, you gotta become the person that's obtained the traits, that's obtained the characteristics, that's built themselves to be able to have that. And team, welcome back to another video. It's a new day, it's a new opportunity. If you could tell by outside right now, I'm driving in this Florida hurricane weather. It is what it is. I don't care about the weather. It's not going to change the fact that I got a whole bunch of work to do today and I'm going to get it done. And it's not going to change the fact that today I'm going to make the best of it because I might not be here tomorrow. Today's not fully promised. I'm here today right now, but the full today's not fully promised. I got to make the most of right now. And with that being said, today I got a car talk for you guys. Today I'm going to be just having a little bit of a double upload. This isn't replacing the vlog tonight. The vlog is going to be up later on. Trust me, we're double uploading. I got some videos to catch up on since I missed like 2 days in the span of when I was trying to move and everything. But we're going to get it all back. You guys know how I am, giving value. We back in the crib right now. We about to get upstairs. We about to get this day started. I just recorded a video that's going to be posted early this morning. So when you're watching this vlog, you're more than likely watching it at nighttime on Wednesday. No, today's Thursday. You're watching this on Thursday night. Right now it is Thursday morning, and that's when the video is going to be posted before 12 o'clock. And yeah, we're going to have that double upload, but we just get into work. I told you guys yesterday, I'm not going to the gym before trading. I went to the gym before trading yesterday, and I regretted that shit instantly. Horrible idea. I was cooked. I'll go to the gym after, and especially since this hurricane is here, whew, we going to have to see. Because I don't even know if the gym is going to be open because it might be closed because of the hurricane. Because they like to close shit because of electronics and all that. But we're going to see. Without all the yapping, let me get upstairs. It's already about to be 9:30. But I told them I was going to be a little late because I ain't about to be rushing in this hurricane. I might want to make money. But I ain't trying to fucking speed my way into a car accident, bruh. One thing that I definitely do like with the apartment, I can unlock it all through my phone. Like, look. Unlock that joint. So by the time I walk over, it's already open. And I just walk in like a smooth criminal. It's cold as shit in here, but I ain't gonna lie, I'd rather it be cold than hot as shit in here. This view over there is crazy. Dogs, I'm sorry, you can't come out yet. Not yet. I got work to do, dogs. We got work to do. Put my camera up over here. Because it's that time. It's time to get to work. I'm going to see you guys in about 5 minutes when I get all this organized and set up. Let's have a good day. We dropping. I'm about to get my entry. I'm about to watch these longs. Yeah, I'm going to take these longs on 30 right here. At the 1 hour gap. Look for 1 to 2. That pretty high is the overall target, but I just want a 1 to 2. Let's see how deep it's going to go. Let's see. What time is it? 9:42. Oh! Go to TP2, though. It ain't over yet. I don't like how we move so fast. I need to hit TP2 before we stop this volume. Fuck that. Come on. Give me that TP2 and I'm getting out this joint. I promise you. Come on. TP2 first. Once we get TP2, then I can get out. I had to move out to the living room just because I'm about to edit my video and everything. This shit, I'm in this trade still, and it's moving mad slow. I'm in break even. It's one of those trades where we just gotta wait and see. I haven't left the trade run while I've been away from the VIP session in a while. So we're gonna see. Right now we're in a little bit of drawdown. If it's an L, we got 1 L for the day, 1 break even, which would be a W. But all we can do is be patient, follow our rules, and do what we do every single day. But like I said, I gotta walk my dogs, I gotta edit some videos, gotta post a video. I got some shit to do, so can't be on this call too long. It's about to be 11 o'clock already, so we gotta get the rest of our day started. But I'll keep you guys updated nonetheless. I took trade earlier, same spot in this trade, same spot. I want to see 30 fly. It's just getting mad late. It's about to be 11. I can't be on here too much longer. I gotta get some videos.
About to take these dogs for a walk to get her done. I'm wearing all purple today. I don't know. I'm usually wearing all black, but I guess today's a purple day. This is one of the only colored shirts I have. So yeah, inspired by the fear of being average. Only reason I have a colored shirt is because of what it says on it. Oh yeah, getting the dogs to go to the bathroom. We got my route over here. So far it's sunny, honestly. To be honest. Oh yeah, you getting all that pee out. My fault. But yeah, so far it's pretty nice out. The wind that was on the balcony upstairs was crazy. Down here, I don't even feel no wind. Feels kind of nice, I ain't gonna lie. But all the stuff is closed because of the hurricane. Ain't nobody outside. I can smell food though. Somebody gotta be cooking. This way. Across the street. Come on. Come on. Alright, I just got done from walking the dogs and we're in profit again. We're in a little bit of profit. Nothing too crazy. If I check the actual trade itself, probably not up at TP1 yet. But you know what? A little some, a little some. Yeah, we're in a little bit of profit right now. Nothing crazy, damn near break even. But we'll see, we ain't risking too much. Bro, this wind outside is crazy, hold on. Listen to this. The second I open this door, watch how crazy this wind gets. That's that hurricane weather. It was not that windy downstairs, like actually walking the dogs, like that's what I was just doing. But yeah, I'm about to start editing some of these videos that I gotta post. And yeah, we about to get the rest of our day started. Hopefully this trade can hit TP so I can get a withdrawal, but if not, we live to trade another day. As we're coming down, we hit TP1. So TP1 got hit inside of the garage. Let me get that, send it to the team. I literally just sent them a screenshot of the trade saying patience, and a couple seconds later hit TP1. Yeah, this is the real reality of living in an apartment, driving down this fucking John. I mean, I don't care too much because it just lets my car warm up and gives me time to just think and not rush and do stuff like this to record and say when my TP got hit. But besides that, it do be a little annoying. But pros and cons of everything. Just got to be aware of that. Let's see how much we up. Refresh. Oh yeah, we up a cool. Looks like we up almost $400. Nothing too crazy. Listen, all it's about is being able to win more than you lose and make sure your losses are smaller than your wins. Simple as that. If you can do that consistently, you can make money. I haven't been having the best 2 weeks, as you guys know, but look at us here. The same stuff that I do to win trades happens over and over again.
After all morning being in that trade, the same trade that I took the first trade on, the one that got stopped at break even, was the same exact trade idea I took on the second trade. And the second trade idea, after damn near almost going to TP2, we did hit TP1. I moved my stops to break even, but after hours of consolidating, it came back and stopped me at break even. 2 break even trades. So I didn't make money, I didn't lose money. Today was a W day nonetheless. I can't be mad. I'm still in the game. I can still trade tomorrow. That means I'm in the same position tomorrow that I would have been in today. I didn't make nothing, I didn't lose nothing. I wasn't profit. I could have made money, but coulda, shoulda, woulda. Following my rules, I wouldn't have been able to get out yet. Following my rules, I broke even when I was supposed to. I stayed in the trade as I was supposed to. I did what I was supposed to. Am I gonna get a withdrawal today? No. But that's okay. I can still aim for the withdrawal tomorrow. I can still aim to have a winning day tomorrow. Even though, like I said, today is a winning day. But let me show you this trade. It kind of cooked. So if we look at the trade, this is the trade idea. Let me explain a little bit. This whole wick that came down, this is the wick that came and stopped me at break even. So I ended up going wicking where that stop loss was. So if I wasn't at break even, I would have ended up taking a loss holding this trade just for it to go up. Bruv. I told y'all, 592 was my show. It's just crazy, man. It's just crazy. But nonetheless, look at the view behind it. This is the first time I'm like sitting over here, kind of using this backdrop as a view. It's amazing, man. It's amazing. This is what we do it for. But that wind outside is crazy. Got the dogs inside hiding. They're not even playing because of how loud this wind is. All right, everybody. In the crib. Hopefully the lighting here is good. I'm like sitting in the dining area, as I would call this. Overall,
Had a good day. When it comes to the trading, we had the 2 break-even trades. So it was unfortunate, but at the end of the day, the one thing I want you guys to understand with your trading, just because you didn't make money today doesn't mean it wasn't a W day. Doesn't mean it wasn't a good day. People need to stop worrying about making money. Too many people are focusing on making money. You shouldn't be worrying about making money. Worrying about making money isn't going to make you any money. Most people think worrying about money, chasing money is going to make you more money. No, you got to focus on the things that are going to keep money in your pocket, that are going to multiply money. When it comes to trading, what is going to make you more money? Being disciplined, following your rules, having good risk management, and taking the trades you're supposed to take, not trades you're not supposed to take. You're supposed to be taking the trades you're supposed to take. You're supposed to be disciplined enough to follow your rules. You're supposed to be disciplined enough to walk away after you take your L. You're supposed to be disciplined enough to walk away after you take your W. A lot of the time, people think their system, their strategy, their win rate is the reason why they're making money or not making money. It's part of it, yes, it's a big part of it. It's an edge. Nonetheless, without it, you wouldn't be able to make more money than you lose. You know what I mean? It make your edge, your system and strategy just makes it so you win, so that you win more. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, that by itself isn't going to make you a good trader. You need to be a well-rounded individual. You need to build yourself mentally. You got to build yourself physically. You got to build yourself as an individual. Because guess what? To be the person that's going to be able to be in a crib like this, to be the person that's going to be able to get a nice car, to be able to change your life, to change other people's lives, you got to become the person that's obtained the traits, that's obtained the characteristics, that's built themselves to be able to have that. It's as simple as that. Trust me, there's no difference between me and you. I just wake up every day and I follow the plan. I told you guys what my plan was. You could do the same exact thing. The only difference between me and you is I'm a little bit up ahead. I've already started. I've already got the experience. I've put 4.5 years into trading. I've put 10 years into content creation. I've put a year into VIP. I've put numerous amount of hours into it without getting rewarded for it, without looking for reward for it, not chasing the money. To end this video off, I want to let you guys know, if you have dreams, if you have aspirations, if you want anything, focus on the process and system that's going to make it so that you can obtain it. Who's texting me? Got a couple of people that's replying to me from the YouTube video, it seems like. But like I was saying, bro, anything you want, you can have. It just comes down to having a system, have a plan, have a process. Every single day, I wake up and do the same exact thing. Every single day. The same thing I was doing in my other apartment is the same thing I'm doing here. The same thing I was doing in my Benz that I have right now is going to be the same thing I'm doing when I'm in a Ferrari. I may have little extra things that I do, but guess what? That doesn't change the process. The process and system works. I'm living proof that it works. Simply follow it every day. You're not always gonna have good days. You're not always gonna have bad days, but you're going to have a journey that you need to stay disciplined on. You're going to have to control yourself, because at the end of the day, it's you versus you. Not you versus me, not you versus your family, you versus you. You are in control of your life, and you're the only person that knows what you want from yourself, that knows what you want from this one life that you have. So you gotta make it happen. You gotta promise to yourself to make it happen. You're all you got. So with that being said, I'm gonna end the video off. This hurricane out there is crazy, matter of fact. Let me go over here and show you guys this shit. The one thing with this apartment, it doesn't have like great lighting at nighttime. At nighttime, like there's like no lights whatsoever. But here, I'm gonna show you guys like the view and everything. The view right now is crazy. I honestly need to see how windy it is, because I need to take these dogs for a walk. I don't see anybody walking out there. It just got mad foggy. But yeah, I don't see anybody walking dogs out there, I ain't gonna lie. Bad job. We might have to try it. We might just have to still try it. Well, looks like we might have to go for a walk, doggies. We got an adventure. She likes the sound of that. But this is where the video is going to come to an end. I appreciate you guys for watching to the end. I appreciate you guys for showing up every single day. I haven't talked about it too much in this vlog, but the YouTube videos are getting a lot of traction. The YouTube videos are going crazy right now. The YouTube videos are getting a lot of views, and a lot of people are actually tuning into the journey, tuning into trading, tuning into me. And that's wonderful. And I'm just happy to be able to give people words of advice that's changed my life. Because if it could change mine, it could change yours. If you want to now trade the free trading concepts, the systems that I use on a daily basis, the free trading course, the free trading webinars in the description. When you're ready to join a team of like-minded individuals to take my trades, to take trades that the team's taken, to be able to learn how to manage risk live, to be able to hear the dogs live when we're live trading, join VIP. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Let's end the week off right, and let's make some money.